Hello, hello, hello. Melissa Peng here, aka The Curly Executive, and I am here on Rue des Rosiers in Paris. We are still on vacation. We are gonna grab a bite to eat at what I believe is some of the best falafel in the world. Now, you might ask, Melissa, there are two shops behind you. One is green and one is red. If we can get this thing to focus, what you'll see is they're actually both falafel shops. L'As du Falafel is very well known. It's written up in magazines, tour groups come here, there's lines around the block. Mi Va Mi is not as well known, but I can tell you it's actually really good. Some people may even think it's better. As you can see, these businesses are directly competing with each other. That's gotta be difficult, right? Like, you're literally across the street from each other. So how do you differentiate your business when you're across the street from yourself? Like, how do you compete? One thing I can tell you right away, one's red, one's green. So that you can say, go to the red, go to the green. Other things that you can see, and I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but I will definitely highlight them. You can see this falafel says the best on the street, right? They're trying to call out the fact that they're the best. There's also some signs that say goûter et comparer, which means try it and compare it, right? So other things you'll see, right? L'As du Falafel has music. So in the evening, they're playing music. Obviously, they've also differentiated themselves with advertisement. L'As du Falafel has tour groups that come and visit it, right? But that is not the question. As we walk to one more little point of how they're competing, I want to point you to my Cash Money questions, where I'm specifically asking you a different question. What advice would you give your competitor? And here's the next thing. L'As du Falafel has its other little smaller distribution center right there. So the question on Cash Money questions, if you think about your top competitor, I want you to give them advice. I don't actually want you to give it to them. I want you to write down the advice that you would have for them. Why am I having you write down advice for your competitor? Why would you want to help him, right? Or her, or they, right? You want to point out all the things that they could do better, also all the things that they could do well. And then once you're done with that exercise, ask yourself, am I doing those things, right? Am I doing those things? Can I do those things in my business? Can I apply them to my business? I really like this concept of share and reapply. Let's all share what we've learned about people competing with us, and let's reapply that stuff to our business. So with that, I'm actually gonna go to eat. I'm gonna finish this walk down this beautiful street in Paris. And I hope that you continue to join me on my vacation as we continue to talk about marketing. And yeah, I'll see y'all soon.